Good day, Indian friends. Nandito po tayo sa Yamaha dealership. Ito po yung tinitingnan natin is an Yamaha X-Max. Yamaha X-Max features the following. Ang engine nito is 292cc, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, single cylinder. Transmission nito is AB belt, automatic transmission, with the safety of ABS anti-lock braking system, traction control with pass switch. Yung lighting nito is LED light, headlamp. Ito po yung kanyang starter system, which is electric starter. So yung lighting, LED light, headlamp, tail light, and indicator lights. Gauges nito is digital gauges. Ito po, napakaganda yung X-Max. Blue yung kulay na kanyang tatak. Yung handlebar and windscreen nito is adjustable handlebar and windscreen. Y-Connect, rider selection. Ito po yung kanyang SRP is 297. Pag down payment ka, ito yung kanyang mga details. So overall, ang frame is designed for light and neutral control of handling. So this is Yamaha X-Max 292cc engine. Dito guys naman tayo sa Yamaha Paseo. Yamaha Paseo is disc brake, yung front brake nito. Dito po mayroon tayong dalawang kulay, yung orange at saka yung white. So naka-disc brake ang front. Ang starter option nito is electric. Ang engine ng Paseo is 125cc. Single cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke. So ito yung dalawang kulay na pwede nating pagpipilian. Yan, retro po ang kanyang forma. So napakaganda. Medyo mababa lang siya. Ang kanyang ground clearance is 135mm. Transmission type is CVT. Paseo, ang kanyang power is 8.3 horsepower. At ang kanyang fuel tank is 5.1 liters. Yamaha Paseo. Ito po yung kanyang rear na forma. Ayan. Aside from Yamaha Paseo, other models of Yamaha dealership. Yan, ang dami po ditong pagpipilian. At dito naman tayo guys sa mga medyo malalaki. Yamaha. This one is Yamaha MT-15. Ito po yung kanya mga specifications. So, ikot muna tayo guys. Tingnan natin yung kanilang mga forma at ang kanilang specifications at ang price nito guys. Okay, ito medyo maganda. MT-03. Yan yung price niya. So hanggang dito lang tayo guys sa ating update ng Yamaha model and prices. Thank you for watching NCAN DIY page.